Hey everyone, it's Shailyn and I'm going to show you how to make a Christmas tree light up skirt. You'll need about 2 yards of felt that's at least 60 inches wide in your choice of colors, a 1/4 yard of green felt, and a set or two of battery powered LED lights. First, you'll need to cut out your skirt pieces to make a circle skirt. I go into detail in my circle skirt tutorial linked in the comments. But basically, I folded my main fabric over 2 times and measured out the radius for my waist to cut out. Then I measured out the radius plus the length I wanted my skirt to be. I also added pockets for this skirt because that's where the battery pack will go for my LEDs. If you decide to do a lot of lights and have multiple battery packs, I recommend finding some that use a watch battery instead. I chose these LEDs because it actually came in a set of 4 for only $9. Now I sew the pockets onto the skirt. One pocket will be where the zipper goes, and the other pocket will be left open at the bottom. This is so I can put the battery inside the pocket from the bottom and then sew it up. With the bottom of the pocket left open, I can place the battery pack inside, leaving the LED strip outside of the pocket. Now I pin and sew the waistband on, then the invisible zipper. Now the Christmas trees. I cut out a few Christmas tree shapes in various sizes for the skirt. I originally wanted the trees to go all the way around the skirt, but I realized that I might need to use too many LEDs, which meant more battery packs and more weight. So I just decided to cut out a set of 3 trees to put at the bottom of the skirt like a poodle skirt. Now I can start pinning the trees on the bottom of the skirt the way I want. Once I've decided where I want it to go, I sew just the bottom of the trees. This is because I need to put the LEDs underneath the trees. Now you need to cut a small hole underneath one of the trees to pull that LED strip through. From here, you can just put the LEDs under the trees and sew the trees down, letting the light shine through the felt. But I wanted my lights to be bright. So I marked where I wanted the lights and snipped little holes on the trees so I could weave the LED strip through each hole. This took much longer than I want to admit, but I think the end result is really cool. Okay, I'm not gonna bore you with the weaving of the LED lights. Basically, I do that for all 50 lights. Once all of the LEDs are where you want it to go, I stitch the rest of the trees down and the skirt is finished.